Hi everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting. I'm bringing back my tutorials that I used to do all the time. They are so much fun to film, and it's even more exciting because this tutorial is a collab with my good friend here on YouTube called, her name is Dani. That's her channel. She goes by Dani, and thank you so much, Dani, for doing this tutorial with me. So much fun. We both have Huda palettes, or Huda, is that how you say it? Huda, I think. I learned that from Shannon, Huda. I have the Desert Dusk and Dani has the Rose Gold palette, so we thought it would be really fun to do a ultimate glam, our ultimate go-to glam look with this palette, with our palettes that we have. So it's super exciting. This is what the Desert Dusk looks like. It is so gorgeous to look at. Oh my gosh, and there's so much you can do with it, so it's so much fun. I completely forgot how to film a tutorial though, so I tried filming this and then I was like all over the place, didn't have my brushes, didn't have my setup. It was like a mess. So I'm refilming it, so I did get started in the last one, and I'll let you know like where I left off. So if you want to see a ultimate glam look, then just keep watching. I did try starting this look before and then I messed the whole setup up. It was like really bad. So I had to start over. So all I did was I put the Mercier caviar stick in Amethyst. That's what's on my lid right now. So that's what's all over my lid. It's a really pretty color. It's more of like a bronzy purple, like a taupe kind of. And the other thing that I did was I primed my eyes with this Stay Don't Stray by Benefit. I just did my Crease with that because I didn't want to use the NYX pencil because it's too thick, so I did it with the Mercier. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the crease color. This is in the shade Eden. It's a nice like light peachy color. I'm going to take my M433 brush in the crease. Hopefully I remember how to do makeup with tutorials. I had so many like angles that I would do, so we'll see how that goes. I want to really build this up. So it's just a kind of a light color. I might have to go in with the dark color later, but I want to go in with this shade called Amethyst. So we're going to go in with that color in the crease too. I just wanted to have a nice transition color. Look at that purple! Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So it is a beautiful sunny day outside. I'm so excited. I love when the sun is out. It makes my mood like 100 times better. I'm having some girlfriends over tonight for a wine night, so I'm really excited. So the glam kind of goes with that, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're going for Mexican food, and I haven't seen them in so long, probably since before December, because with the holidays and stuff it just gets way too crazy. So it's gonna be really nice to catch up. Mirror like right here because it's necessary for it to be right up my nose pretty much. I feel like with this shadow it's a little bit weird because it's clinging to that Mercier almost. Do you see that like darkness right here? It's so funny. Maybe once I add the other colors, it will blend itself out. Go in with a flat shader brush. This is by e.l.f. and this is the color Retrograde. It's that like blue-brown kind of situation here. So but I want to try to see if I can wet it and see if it gets any more pigment to it. I'm just taking my Smashbox primer water and wetting my brush here. Oh yeah. You see that difference there? Really, really pretty. Wow. That purple shadow is so strange. Maybe that Laura Mercier was not the way to go, because it kind of, or you know what, I should have done the crease first. That's what I should have done. And I usually do before I do lid, but I don't know what happened here. I have to buff that out with like a redder shade. Let's see, hold on. I'm gonna take the shade Saffron here. Like a red color. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yes. That color is stunning. That's what I needed, yep. Pleased with that look. I want to do an outer V color, I think, so I'm gonna go in with this dark brown here. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Wow, that's pigmented! Too much time to play with this palette because I work in a school, so it's a little bit hard to go glam. But this palette is gorgeous. I'm just gonna blend that out. And it's fun with that purple like kind of coming through here. How this eye like doesn't get blended as easily as the other eye. I don't know why. I'm gonna take the brow bone shade. It's called Desert Sand. And I really buff in my brow bone just so that everything looks flawless. I might go back in with that peachy shade called Eden, and I'm just gonna lightly do the transition again. Maybe see if that helps. And then go back in with that red shade. I don't know, this is kind of becoming a hot mess here, but I think I still like it. Really pretty. Okay, cool. So, taking another sip of my coffee. I'm going to take my eyeliner. And I think I'm going to do brown today, actually. This is the Stila Stay All Day liner. You guys know this is my favorite liner pen ever. Eyeliner job. Let's see if I can brush away these sparkles here. I always think people do that, but then when I try doing it, it like doesn't work. Okay. I save my mascara until I have the rest of my face done so that I can do setting spray. So I'm going to use a dewy primer today because I want my skin glowing. This is the Becca Priming Filter Backlight one. And I'll probably speed through this part. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. That might have been too much. Oops. Coverage. This is the ColourPop one. This is a bright nude. I particularly like this one. It's really annoying. The tone that it gives my under eyes, like, it looks gray, kind of. I'm really just trying to get through it. It's in a project, so hopefully I will be successful with that. I don't really need much of this. Can I? That went right in my nose. Did anybody see that? Put way too much product on my face, but I think when I go in with the setting spray, it will help to like mesh everything together and not look so cakey. I'm taking this Kat Von D Lock It powder, and I really don't like this one. I feel like it gets so powdery and messy, and it doesn't get into my skin. Like here, it looks a little funny when I put blush on sometimes. That was too much. What is with me with too much today? I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Primer Water. Oh my god. Please save the day, save the day, save the day. And while that's drying, I'm gonna do my mascara and my eyebrows. Oh, I'm gonna do my mascara, brows, blush, highlight, everything else off camera. I'll let you know what I use though. I am low battery, that's why I just kind of want to get my makeup on and then come back to you guys. So hold on one second. I want to do like a rundown of my makeup before I forget. So for eyebrows, I used my ColourPop Dip Brow, and then I used the Essence Clear Gel on top of that, and I used the two Maybelline mascaras that I have, the Total Temptations and the Lash Sensational. I layered them. And then I did blush. For blush, I did the most perfect blush to go with this look, which was the Kat Von D Everlasting Blush in Heartagram. This was a hand-me-down from Canoe, and I like can't believe how pigmented it is. I blended the crap out of it, and it is just so pigmented. I love this blush so much. I'm happy to have it. I know I'll wear it a lot. I have been wearing it a lot, so I'm glad to have it. For highlighter, I use Urban Decay Afterglow 8 Hour highlighter in the shade Aurora, and it's a really pretty purpley pink shade. I have it on. You'll probably be able to see the purpleness come through a little bit better than here because it's kind of washed out. But that's what I did for that. For bronzer, I used the one that's in my birthday project, and I've already hit a major pan on it. Thank you very much. Try to finish that off because it is a cream product. So I'm wearing that bronzer today. And what else? Oh, lips. I'm wearing Marc Jacobs Kiss Kiss Bang Bang Bang. I have a little tester because this was a birthday gift like last year, I'm pretty sure. And I love the color. I think it's a nice match. And for gloss, I used a peachy color from the Sweet Peach Too Faced collection. This is Papa Don't Peach. It's a nice nude that I decided to tone down the pink to because I'm not really that much of a fan of a pink lipstick. So that's all of the makeup that I'm wearing today. I really hope you guys like the eye look. I really do. It was really fun to do this tutorial with you, Dani. Thank you so much for doing this with me. I cannot wait to see your look. I'm like counting down the days until we post this so I can see it. But yeah, so don't forget to go check out her channel. I'll have her in the cards as well as down below. And I really hope you guys like this look, and I'll see you